In day trading, no matter what day trading strategies you're using, you have a rule for the profit target. Before the market reach your profit target, you need to hold your position and do not exit randomly. However, there are some situations that you have to exit the market and close all your positions and keep the profit in your pocket. Here's an example. There is an economic event on this day, and then you can see that this bar is the timing for the Fed chair speech. So this speech may impact the market, and then the market can go either way. So that's why before this, if you are in a position, you want to exit. For example, the market goes up and pulls back. Here comes a very good signal bar. This is a trend bar, and then you enter the market. Before the Fed chair speech, you need to close all your position to be conservative. That is because the market can go either way upon the speech. In this case, it goes down. If you're still having a position there, so you could have a loss. But what is the best timing for you to exit the market to maximize your profit if you're in a trade? Here are some examples. Basically, you can use the level support and resistance. For example, we have a previous high here, so you can exit upon this level. Or we have another R1 here, you can also exit here. So basically, if you do that, you're going to exit by this bull bar. You also noticed after hitting R1 and the previous day high, the market pulls back. It didn't go up further. If there's no obvious levels for you to exit, you can also exit whenever you see a pullback. Here, when the market goes up and then pulls back with this bear bar, so you want to exit upon the close of this bear bar because it is very close to the event timing. Another option is right before the event, the bar, you exit in between. You don't wait until this bar finishes because at the moment it finishes, there could be a fluctuation. So before the event happens, you exit at this bar. Market is always fluctuating and volatile, so it is better that you keep the profit in your pocket.